Oh, what's this right here, you ask? This is village stuff, baby. Okay, so I know you know the saying, as we've all heard it in reference to raising a child, that it takes a village. And it absolutely does. But sometimes it can feel like that village doesn't exist for some of us. Am I right? I know my husband and I have had very few people in our village to help since we had our son, and while it can be exhausting feeling like you're doing it all on your own, you also just have to come to be super grateful for what people do to help. Today we received all these hand-me-down clothes from our new neighbor, and honestly, it made me so happy. I used to get hand-me-down clothes as a kid from my cousin, and I just loved it. And now as a parent, I can see how helpful they are, as this load literally saved us at least $50 in school uniform clothes for the next year, and another $100 easily in play and dress clothes. Lately, we've had several friends pouring into us in different ways and helping to be our village, and I'm just so thankful. So the next time you have some extra resources available, be it time, toys, clothing, etc., can you think of a person in your life who may benefit from those extra resources? Can you help be their village? Because we all need people in our village, and it really doesn't take much to help another parent understand that they're not alone. For more ways you can help be someone's support system, be sure to screenshot the next slide coming up right now. And if you're looking for some support in getting your child ready for kindergarten, I'd love to be that part of your village. Right now, I'm offering a free Preschool at Home starter kit available in my bio to help get parents going in the right direction.